me email, get some new codes for you guys so we can do some giveaways. Let me make sure I've got some set up. Okay, still watching that grey box. I chased the short. I had to chase. Someone else was short. I had to chase down here for that flush. I had to chase it. All right, watching this grey box now. This is key. If they get through this grey box, I expect 820s and new highs. If we reject this grey box, it would be failure to follow through. There's downside price action. Buyers are currently stuck above 900. So above that, you will get a re-squeeze out. We have previous day value area high around 920 and previous week all the way up at 26,074 and previous day high at 26,020. So the next opportunities are basically, this is what I'll be thinking about. Either we reject this and we roll. We take it, we go 920, we reject and we roll. We take it, we base and we start to come up into here, right? These are all available and then that. We are very, 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 very bullish on the day. The order flow has been very, very bullish. They're just bid right now. But we are, deep in. We've got to think we are in above premium of previous day, or coming into, if you're following Ninja, coming into the most premium area of Friday. So it is not an ideal area to be buying off right now. Okay. Do I have any codes to reset pro accounts for Take Profit Trader? I wish, buddy. I'm sorry. No, no codes or anything like that for Take Profit Trader. I am working on getting stuff, but no, I don't think they would do resets for pros. Resets are very expensive for pro accounts. I think it would cost you about $600. Honestly, you're better off, in my opinion, my humble opinion, better off not resetting, paying 100 or whatever it is, and just passing a new eval. What was the bias at New York Open? Why rally towards previous week, previous day value? Because of the bullish structure from London section. And would you have been ready for a long? The bias was to at least back test, right? So I was telling you guys that it's probably a long up for the back test of sort of 600. Over 600, we talked about a back test of 7. Over 7, 850. And over 859, 26,100. Why? Just structure, right? So this is what we talked about this morning. If we think about this, all right, think about previous week and previous days in here. So gap down, no acceptance. We expect a back test of this. If we sell this, we said we'd sell that back down to here. If they don't stop here, they're going to come in for 700 test, all right? This node here, this level here. If they don't stop there, they're going to come up for this level here that we're now at, all right? If they don't sell this, then they're going to come up for the next level above, right? So we don't, this is what I always tell you guys why the counter trend's hard. We don't know where it's going to stop. So we have to wait for volume to be built out. If they don't build volume out, think about why is this squeezing? I'll tell you why it's squeezing. Because shorts tried here and tried here and tried here, and they're adding and they are fueling this fire up. Yeah, there's a bid also, don't get me wrong, but I don't really want to bid here for this. This is so risky to bid here for this. All right, failure to break out here, grey box. So we would imagine now the rotation will happen between here. Here are the important areas now for this current part. That was a failure to take a high. ES did take the high, so we had slight divergence here. We'll go grey box to grey box until they're done with it, and we can see what's what. Yeah, 900s and above, they keep getting stuck, the buyers. You can see it on the tape. That's where they keep getting stuck. You can see, we can see maybe here. Right, 900s and above. It's all buy side. If we look at all this, it's all buy side. It's all buyers keep getting caught up there. So at the moment, we're not seeing a passive buyer step in and support a bid above that. We're just seeing aggressive buyers get caught. Grey box to grey box is the current rotation. ES rejecting IB high as well. Okay, that down to this other grey box, point of control. If we leave this, it would get nasty. If they keep bidding this, they've still got a chance to move higher. We've now got lots of stops based up here. I have an anchored VWAP or anchored volume profile to 930. I have 2 ticks per row, but it doesn't look like yours. Have I got it wrong? No, that's right. What if you? It should look like this. You might need to reset it. That's exactly what to do. Should look the same. Maybe you got to change the width to 20. Maybe that will help you. Sellers step in here. Back down to these same key levels. Nothing's really changed here. Grey box to grey box. If we start leaving one, we can think about lower prices, but not before then. Certainly not before then. They are trying to leave this area. Watching ES into previous day high as well, right? ES into previous day high. It keeps bidding there this morning. I think they're going to try and clean up some of these guys a bit lower into 6. At the right level. Let's see if we leave here then now and how we act. We're building out a huge amount of volume. It's a shame that they've left this little low volume node. It's going to be pretty dangerous how they're setting this up. And let it a little bit. There's